Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential upgrade for any Apple AirPods Max owner. The 3-in-1 silicone cover and case, complete with a hard case and anti-scratch ear pad, ear cup, and headband covers, all in sleek black. For anyone who's invested in these premium headphones, protecting that investment is paramount, and this kit offers comprehensive defense against daily wear, scratches, and accidental bumps. First, let's talk about the silicone components, which form the 3-in-1 aspect. The kit includes a pair of silicone covers for the outer ear cups. The AirPods Max's aluminum ear cups, while beautiful, are prone to scuffs. These silicone covers fit snugly, like a second skin, preserving the original aesthetic while adding a crucial layer of protection. The black color seamlessly integrates, maintaining its sophisticated look. One finds the material soft yet durable, providing good grip and preventing the headphones from sliding. Beyond the outer ear cups, the kit provides anti-scratch covers for the ear pads themselves. This is a thoughtful addition, as fabric ear pads can accumulate dirt, sweat, and show wear. These silicone ear pad covers act as a barrier, extending the life and cleanliness of the original pads. They are easy to install and remove for cleaning, and don't seem to significantly impact comfort or sound quality, which is a major plus. Completing the silicone trio is the headband cover. The mesh headband of the AirPods Max is unique and comfortable, but susceptible to dirt and damage. The silicone headband cover wraps around this delicate mesh, offering protection against grime and minor impacts. It's a simple addition that goes a long way in preserving the integrity and hygiene of the headband, ensuring the headphones remain in pristine condition. Now for the equally vital component, the AirPods Max hard case. While the silicone covers provide excellent daily protection, for travel or more robust storage, a hard case is indispensable. This hard case perfectly accommodates the AirPods Max, even with all silicone covers installed. It offers a rigid shell that can withstand drops and impacts, safeguarding the headphones from significant damage. The interior is typically lined to prevent scratches, and the overall construction feels solid and reliable. It's the kind of case that gives one peace of mind when traveling. In summary, this accessory kit is a well-rounded solution for maximizing the longevity and pristine condition of Apple AirPods Max. The combination of silicone ear cup, ear pad, and headband covers provides excellent everyday protection against scratches, dirt, and minor bumps, while the included hard case offers superior defense for travel and storage. The black color ensures a cohesive and stylish look. It's a comprehensive package that addresses multiple protection needs, making it a highly recommended investment for preserving these premium headphones.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.